Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 4, chapter number 2, polynomials. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 2.2, question number 2. Find a quadratic polynomials each with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zero given. Okay. Question number 1. 1 upon 4 minus 1. So this is a sum of zeros and this is a product of 0 given. Solution. Sum of the zeros is equal to 1 upon 4 and product of the zeros is equal to minus 1. Let alpha and beta be the zeros, then alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 4 and alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. And therefore quadratic polynomial in variable x is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So x square minus into bracket sum is 1 upon 4x minus 1 and therefore 4x square minus x minus 4 is a required polynomial. So required polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. You can solve this example by some other method. So this is an alternative method and this method is very useful. So method number 2. Sum of the zeros is equal to 1 upon 4, that is equal to minus b upon a. In this case, you compare the sum with and the product of zeros with coefficient. So sum of zeros is equal to 1 upon 4 and this 1 upon 4 is equal to minus b upon a. Product of 0 is equal to minus 1, that is c upon a. So minus 1 you convert into minus 4 upon 4. Okay. And now then you compare the coefficients. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now therefore required polynomial in variable x is px is equal to 4x square minus x minus 4. Okay, so this is rather easy method. So adopt this method. Question number 2. Sum of the zeros is equal to root 2 and the product of 0 is equal to 1 upon 3 given. So write your solution. Solution. Sum of the zeros is equal to root 2 upon 1 is equal to minus b upon a and is equal to 3 root 2 upon 3. So here I divide and multiply by 3 because of this product, because product is 1 upon 3 and the product of zeros is equal to 1 upon 3, that is equal to c upon a, so that I can compare this. So this minus b upon a, c upon a, and therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3 upon 3 root 2 and c is equal to 1. And therefore quadratic polynomial in variable x is px is equal to 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Okay. Question number 3. Sum of the zeros is equal to 0 and product of the zeros is equal to root 5 given. So solution, sum of the zeros is equal to 0 is equal to minus b upon a is equal to 0 upon 1. Okay, because here the word denominator is 1. So product of 0 is equal to root 5. So is equal to c upon a is equal to root 5 upon 1. So that I compare this b, a and c. So compare a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to root 5. And hence quadratic polynomial in variable x is px is equal to x square minus 0x plus root 5 is equal to x square plus root 5. This term you omit. Then example number 4. Sum of the zeros is equal to 1 and the product of 0 is also equal to 1 given. Solution, sum of the zeros is equal to 1 upon 1, that is equal to minus b upon a, and the product of 0 is equal to 1 upon 1, so that is equal to c upon a. And therefore if you compare AB, C, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to 1. And therefore quadratic polynomials in X is Px x square minus x plus 1. Question number 4. Question number 5. Sum of the zeros is equal to minus 1 upon 4 and product of the zeros is equal to 1 upon 4 given. Solution, sum of the zeros is equal to minus 1 upon 4 is equal to minus b upon a, and the product of zeros is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to c upon a, and therefore a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. And therefore quadratic polynomial in x is px 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Question number 6. 4.1. Solution, sum of the zeros is equal to 4 upon 1, that is equal to minus b upon a, and the product of zeros is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to c upon a. Compare ABC. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus b is equal to 4, so b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. And therefore quadratic polynomial in x is px is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay. Then here one algorithm is here. Then you try to understand. So this algorithm is what? Division algorithm for polynomials. So this is a what? Algorithm means what? It is a technique. So what is that division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if px and gx are any two polynomials with gx is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomial qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx is less than degree of gx. So remainder is equal to 0, or this you remember, degree of rx is less than degree of gx. This result is known as the division algorithm for polynomial. In next lecture, I will take some example on this algorithm so that you understand. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.